Hey guys, Ladylocks here, and I've got this Ruko 500 with gin spools in it. This was given to me by J. Gabriel, just a loaner, but let me pick this one. Alright, let's see here. I'm using just a regular Topic QA tensioner, but it does give me a little control of the core because it's pretty tight. And I'm using this Southord, I believe this is just called a Euro hook on it. I think that's all. That's the profile of this hook. I'm almost positive that's what it is. So that's what I've got today. And I think I hit both pins in the back there at once or something. Now we're going to find out. Alright, and there we go. Now, let's get this one. Got it. On the core itself, it is a sleeved core. The fifth chamber has no overmilling, but 4, 3, 2, and 1 do, and that is created by this little sleeve here. And you can see it's pinched in to hold it on. And right down here you can see the seam of it, the sleeve. So very neat lock. And let's take a look at the pins. These gin spools are tiny little gin spools. They're so cute. So this also makes it really tough to set these because you only have a tiny amount right here. So when you're pushing those pins up, you have to really, get past that little tiny spot, and it makes it very, it's very dainty. You have to be very very cautious when you're setting these pins, not to overset them, because you can do that quite quickly and easily because they're just so tiny. But there you have it, the Ruko 500 with gins. Thank you to J. Gabriel for sending me the lock, and thank you again, Paracentric, for the beautiful Southord Euro hook. This is an amazing pick. I love this profile, and it worked perfectly on this lock. I loved it. So thank you guys both for everything. And yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button, and if you like my channel, please subscribe, and take care, everybody.